going to run it. See that? It's running on just the capacitor on that one. Now is it knocking it down? What's it reading now? See that 32? You see how it's stopping? And now it's going up again? I'm going to put on the battery. See, now it's up to 39. Now when I start this one, I've got to get back there and accelerate. What happens there? You got that 40. See how it's going slower? See how it's going up again? Capacitors are at 40.8. See how it's going to 41, 42 now? And now it has more power, which is I turned off the batteries. And now the battery's even going up. Okay, now I turn on the third one. Now it's up at 43. Going full speed. What are my readings? The capacitors of that one are at 38.59. The one out here is at 40. The one here is at 35.2. See when I deaccelerated, what happened? That one's going real slow. See how they go up when I turned off the batteries? The batteries were limiting them. Stabilizing it to limiting it. See, it's going up to 41. It's at 41. So now it'll start charging the battery when I turn that on. 41.6. Should I let it go to 42? Sure, why not? See, at 42, this will accelerate much faster. So you're going back and forth between the capacitor that have this fast absorption power at almost 43. But that one's only at 35, so 43.8, that one is driving. See? 39.6 from 39.4. It just went up a couple of points, and now this is going down to 39. See what I mean? The capacitors have to have the advantage to be able to. And again, I can accelerate. You got your videotaping this? Okay. So I turn off the control center again. Turn off the batteries. And once again, I start to get gain. And this one is up at 35, the highest it's ever been. But you see, because it only has 300 windings, it's more stable. It's sort of underneath the others. It prevents these from going down beyond whatever that's reading. Because, you know, the revolutions are not affected as much. On this one here, it's affected a great deal. See, it's at 43.4. Well, this one's lagging. The whole collectivity is lagging by a volt. Now I go on the battery again, and watch this. See? It went up to 40 momentarily, 30, you know, it went up a half a volt, suddenly, right? It's gaining, and this is going down. So you can use the generators to recharge the battery during the ride, after the ride, before the ride, and so on. If you've got it all stable with these, I'm surprised because this little battery with only 100 milliamps going in is giving you very good output. By the way, these capacitors are very good too, right? So I'm up at 43 again. See? Did you see it go to 40.1? It's slowly going up every time I turn on the battery. It's 39.6, which is where it started. See, before all the times I drove it, it should bring the batteries. These are very light batteries. This is not a full set of even the sets that I was putting in 4 years ago, right? And again, this is nice for me because I can go back and forth without worrying. Now I'm worried about that. What do I have reading? 36 and 12. Something, the blockage of this one was very bad. So you know what I think is wrong here? I think that the charger isn't working. Anyway, I'm going to close it down now, okay? And I guess I close it down in reverse order. First this one. It went down to 40. And then this one.